You want to make $1,500 a week reselling? Today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's jump right into it. We're looking at the golden formula for reseller. It is a numbers game, friends. Once you understand your numbers and how to get these numbers, you can do whatever you want. You could change these numbers. The sky is the limit. So we're looking at the golden formula for resellers. This is basically just telling you what your gross revenue is. Take it back to middle school math, right? You have an equal sign and you have a formula on the other side. When one thing goes up, something else, this has to equal the same thing. And when you have a formula like I do up here, that's what's going to happen. You have an average sale price, your active listings, and your sell-through rate. For the sake of this video, I'm not going through the golden formula. I have other videos on it. This is a spreadsheet that you can download. So you don't even have to understand the golden formula. You just have to be able to type in numbers in there and things will come up. If you don't even want to do that, you can get the Sarah Style Sales and Trends dashboard. It calculates all of these numbers for you, and it has a simulator that says exactly how many items that you need to sell, what your average sale price needs to be, and what your active listings needs to be to make the gross revenue that you want to make based off of your numbers. But today's video, we are looking at how you can make $1,500 a week reselling. This is one strategy. I'm going to tell you exactly how many listings that you are going to have to do daily to hit this goal. If these are your numbers, you can come in here and change them to your numbers. We're just going to go based off of this. So $1,500 a week is going to be a monthly gross revenue of $6,000 on average, right? 1,500 times on average 4 weeks in a month. Let's say you have an average sale price of $30 and a sell-through rate of 13%. This is basically my store. That's why these numbers are here, but you can change this, and I'm going to show you real quick. Let's say you have a 20% sell-through rate. It's going to change how many active listings that you actually need to have, right? So you can change your sale price. Say my average sale price is really only $1,500. Lower average sale price means that you need to have more active listings available. So it's going to tell you exactly how many active listings, 1,500 active listings that you need to have. This is going to it's not in the downloadable. So I'm just going to talk you through. You can go ahead and do this formula with me. How many current listings do you have? Let's say I have 386 items. This actually is not my store anymore. I just made these numbers up now for the sake of this video. Let's say you have 386 items. You say, I really want to get to that 1,500 number. You need to increase your active listings. You come down here and you take the difference between the two of them. So you need to hit your $1,500 a week goal. You need 1,152 items. That is the difference. You need that many more items to get from how many listings you have to how many active listings that you need. However, you're going to have items that are selling, right? Each month you're going to have, if this is your store, you're currently going to have your sell-through rate times, I'm going to click on this so you guys can see, you have current 386 items and you're selling 13% of those. That is 50 items a month. So you need to calculate that and go in. Let me show you the formula so you guys can do it with me. You're going to need to take that difference. You're dividing the difference, how many items that you need from how many that you have, that 1,152 divided by 6 months, right? We're going to do this over the course of 6 months. Highly unlikely that you're going to be able to increase 1,000 items in a week, in a month, right? So we're going to do it over the course of 6 months. If you're like, hey, I'm going to be aggressive and do it in 3 months, you change that to 3 months. But you need to add how many items you're selling, because if you're just adding in, hey, I need to increase my store 100 a month, but you're selling 50 of those, you're really only increasing your store 50 a month, right? How many do you need a day? So you need to have 242 items a month, or you need to increase 242 items a month to get here. You divide that by 30 and you need to do 8 daily listings to get there. Now, before you stop and say, hey, this is it, you need to monitor your sell-through rate and your average sale price. I'm not going to get fully into it. I will link a video up here, but increasing your store size, if you are not mindful of many other things in your store health, it's not going to help you get your goal. I will link the video up here that goes into your store health and what you need to actually do to make sure that listing is going to actually increase your sales. If you guys liked this video, YouTube thinks that you'd like this video, I will link a playlist down here of how to make money reselling, and then do make sure to hit that subscribe button to learn how to make money reselling on Poshmark and eBay.